Right here's my '03 Dodge Dakota. Has 155,000, just underneath 155,000. Big wheels. Yep. Off-road. Yeah, fucking open the window door. You got the dice. Fuck, I'll turn it on too. Pull the key out. Fires right up. Just got home, so it's a little warm. Down with the sickness, you know what I mean? Oh, need to get gas. 152,000. She's a nice little thing. Dodge. Sounds nice. Windshield wipers. Work minty. Gotta love the fucking dice, man. Oh, face reveal. Oh. Yeah, gotta get the air fresheners though. Fucking yeah. Fucking sick nasty, bro. Got the bed back here. Fucking all this junk back here. I need to take that shit out, but whatever, you know, whatever. Little rust here, but not too bad. Bumper, need a new bumper. Yeah, there's a license plate, but it's gonna be blurred out. Thanks, Mike. Dodge Dakota XT. Little rust here. Got this all painted up. Same thing here. And a jewel. Yeah. Fag. Yeah, that's the truck. Truck reveal. F1 shitty.